Heartland fans, get ready. Episode 6 is about to shake everything up. Amy's world is falling apart, her reputation is on the line, and someone she trusted may have betrayed her. But the real shock? The truth she's about to discover will change everything between her and Nathan forever. Before we dive into what's coming, let's rewind a bit and unpack everything that happened in Episode 5. Because every detail matters. Episode 5 opens with Amy taking on one of the toughest challenges of her career, training an Olympic-level horse named Polaris. It's a huge opportunity and a big moment for her. But just as things start to look exciting, tension begins to brew. Gracie, who's already been unpredictable lately, throws a cruel jab at Amy, claiming she built her career off her mother's fame. That's a painful accusation, especially for someone like Amy who's spent years proving her own worth in the horse world. Instead of lashing out, Amy keeps her cool and vents her frustration to Nathan. But here's where things start to twist. When Nathan talks to Gracie about her comments, she suddenly switches her attitude. Calm, polite, understanding, too perfect. Something feels off, and Amy senses it too. Later that day, Amy finds Gracie alone in the barn. Gracie apologizes, saying she didn't mean what she said, and even invites Amy to their father's birthday barbecue. On the surface, it seems like she's trying to make peace, but there's an odd unease in the air, and Amy can't quite shake it. Then the next morning, everything unravels. Both Polaris and Amy's beloved horse, Spartan, suddenly fall sick. The timing couldn't be worse, and way too suspicious. Amy remembers seeing the horses chewing something when Gracie was nearby. The coincidence is impossible to ignore. Could Gracie have fed them something harmful? Was it an accident? Or something darker? Amy doesn't want to accuse anyone without proof, but the doubt is eating at her. Before she can figure it out, things spiral out of control. Word spreads that Amy's treatment caused the horse's illness. Polaris's owner pulls out, other clients follow, and her reputation takes a brutal hit. It's heartbreaking to watch a career she built from scratch start to crumble overnight. Now, Episode 6 will pick up right where that storm left off, Amy fighting to clear her name. She's determined to prove she's still the kind, skilled trainer everyone knows her to be. But in the horse world, rumors travel fast, and her path to redemption won't be easy. Still, if there's one thing we've learned about Amy, it's that she never gives up. We'll likely see her take on a new client, someone who doubts her from the start, but eventually witnesses her true gift with horses. It's going to be a make-or-break moment for her, both personally and professionally. Meanwhile, Nathan is caught right in the middle of this mess. If Amy decides to share her suspicions about Gracie with him, things could explode. Nathan loves Amy, but he's also deeply protective of his sister. The idea that Gracie might have caused the horse's illness will tear him apart. He'll be forced to choose between the woman he loves and his family, and that kind of tension could push their relationship to the edge. But the heartbreak isn't the whole story. Episode 5 also gave us a few heartwarming moments that reminded us why we love this family so much. While Amy was struggling, Nathan stepped up for Lindy. He picked her up from school, helped her with her project, and made her laugh when she needed it most. It's during these small moments that Lindy finally saw Nathan for who he really is, a good man who genuinely cares about her and her mom. When she hugged him and thanked him, it was one of the most touching scenes we've seen in a while. In Episode 6, we'll probably see Nathan trying to bring Amy and Lindy closer together, maybe over a quiet family dinner. But with so much chaos surrounding Amy's career, peace might be short-lived. Then there's Dex, still trying to figure out his life after his hockey career ended. He's lost, unsure of what comes next, and Jack's been doing his best to guide him. But it might actually be Katie who helps him find his direction again. She understands what it's like to feel stuck and uncertain. Their shared struggles could draw them closer, and if they start spending more time together, we might see a friendship, or maybe even a spark, forming between them. So now the big questions hang in the air. Can Amy repair her reputation after everything that's happened? Will Nathan stand by her side, or will Gracie's secrets tear them apart? And most importantly, will the truth about the horses finally come out? Episode 6 is shaping up to be one of the most emotional and dramatic chapters yet, filled with love, betrayal, and redemption. One thing's for sure, nothing in Heartland will ever be the same again.